You're welcome to my channel. This is VsmDesigns. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this particular designer's collar. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right below this video and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a video next week Friday, you will be the first to be notified. If you are a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Now let's go straight to today's video. This is the collar stand. I have already cut and gummed it on the fabric. While this is the collar itself, I have also gummed it, and I'm going to trim this part as usual. Normally you trim this place from the gum. While this is the upper part of it, we are also going to trim it because we are going to add a combination at the top, and that is where we have the design. This is the strap of fabric that I'm going to join here. You place it this way, then place the collar on top of it. You run a thread on it. Make sure you maintain a straight line and maintain a specific distance so that by the time you finish sewing, the size of the combination will be equal. I'm going to iron it this way. I've done that. So this is the fabric I'm going to use to turn the collar. We're going to run thread on it. As you are running the thread, make sure that you are not running it on top of the gum or very close to the gum. No, just give a little allowance, very small allowance, so that by the time you are flipping it over, you will not have difficulty for the fabric you use to turn it to be hidden. Then after that, we are going to trim the excess fabrics. Make sure you use a needle to pull the tips out. We are going to smoothen this place. Yes, I've smoothened it and it's now relaxed. Then the next thing we are going to do is to run thread round the collar. I'm not running this thread on top of the combination, but very close, so that the thread will be somehow hidden. Then we are going to trim the excess fabric here. You join it this way to get the center of the collar, and you give a notch there, of course. Then this is the collar stand. We'll run thread this place to hold the folding that we did there. You are also going to join the tips together for you to get the center of the collar stand. Then this is the fabric I'm going to use to turn it. Please take note that you cannot cut this particular fabric bias, otherwise you will have difficulty while joining your collar to your clothes. Then I'm going to place it just the way you are seeing, and make sure that the centers match. Then you now run thread not on top of the gum, but very close to the gum. If you're getting value for your time here, kindly give this video a thumbs up, as that would help YouTube algorithm to show it to more people who would be interested in this video. Do not also forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a video next week Friday, you will be the first to be notified. So we are done. I'm going to smoothen it again. And this is it. So it's now time to trim this place off. You are going to leave about ½ an inch allowance that you use to join it to the main clothes. If you look closely at this collar stand, you will notice that around the center is somehow deepened, and I will show you why it's like that. Let's go ahead and join it to the clothes, and I have already trimmed the neck of the clothes, so there's no need making any further trimming. You are now going to place this in this way. Make sure that the collar itself goes inside a bit. Make sure the collar goes inside small at the tip. You look at this place is not straight. The back of the trimming of the clothes is not straight. That is why the collar stand has a deepening at the center of it, so that by the time you fix your collar, it will relax. then you push it this way. Had it been that you place the collar and the clothes equal, you have difficulty here. Or if the collar came out a bit, you have difficulty as you push this inside. What that causes is that your collar tip will now be longer than the cloth itself, and there's nothing you can do about it to correct it unless you lose the collar and refix it. Don't forget to come back here next week Friday for another interesting and educative video. Meanwhile, click on the banner showing on your screen right now to watch more of my amazing videos.